Hi, my name is Tom Frazee, former full-time faculty at Berklee College of Music, as well as a professional performer, producer, writer, arranger, and music technician. I was also an adjunct professor in the music department at University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and curriculum developer at Northwest Nazarene University in Nampa, Idaho. So your learning success using my courses will be greatly enhanced because everything I present is formatted using the 4 modalities of learning. These modalities are referred to as Vark: visual, audio, reading, and kinesthetics. So each student has a particular way they learn and absorb information the best. It might be watching a video or hearing just audio without the distraction of visuals. Some learn best by reading, and others by simply getting a basic overview and then jumping into hands-on, real-time application, referred to as kinesthetic learning. Altogether, this is Vark. Typically, a student does not learn using one modality exclusively. They used mixed modalities, a blend of 2 or more, with one being their standout style. By formatting everything I teach using a combination of modalities, you will be able to take each topic, subject, and course and quickly turn it into muscle memory. In other words, the ability to take your learned skills and use them without having to think about them first. You see, all my courses contain videos, audio-only conversational-style presentations, downloadable topic documents for reference and note-taking, worksheets, theory in use demonstrations, and even quizzes that return results instantly. So I look forward to sharing with you my skills and practical application in many popular areas of contemporary music theory and practice here at Udemy. I want you to think about this. Pablo Picasso said, "Learn the rules like a pro so you can break them like an artist." So welcome to Tom Frazee Music here on Udemy.